Hi guys, this is just a quick one to show you the crimping and just generally show you the build quality. I do use this one a lot, so yes, it's got a bit of wear and tear because I do use it excessively. So you've got your lovely hard shell clamp there, and you open it up, and what you do, you would place your wrap on the inside there, and then you would close it up and you would seal it up. Now this does take any size wrap. There are tricks to it. So if you've got one that is a little smaller, all you would do is you wouldn't have the back of it flush there, you would have it close to the edge. So you might find the back of your wrap, when it's folded in half, may come to that, and you can go like that, or you can do it partially and go, if you've got very small mini wraps, you can do it partial and crimp it a couple of times. Top tip, if you are concerned about it crimping properly, is either to moisten the inside rim of the tortilla to make it seal a bit better, or just warm it up a little bit, because that really helps as well. Sometimes some of the wraps are a little dry and they're prone to cracking, because if like gluten-free or whole wheat can be a little bit prone to cracking. Again, just give it a warm up in the microwave for 20 seconds and you'll find it's much more pliable, and it crimps fantastically. So all you would do then is pop it in like that, close it up, crimp it up nice and firm. It'll crimple the edges up, and you can pop it in the air fryer or the microwave and warm it up if you wish. But yeah, it is a really fantastic little device. Really do recommend it. It's very so fun, great for kids, and great for making homemade pasties and things like that. So yeah, it's a really cute little device, and we have a lot of fun with it, and I recommend getting one.